Hey every gamer, it's me Game Factory 300 here. Today we are doing another video. My voice is weird, but it doesn't hurt though. But I'm at my grandma's house, and as you can see, I have an eagle. I love eagles. This is a really cool eagle. Yes, I did the eagle adventure. I got a few stuff. I'm watching your video, okay, so but I can't. But anyway, I got this from the Eagle Adventure, this from the Eagle Adventure, this from the Eagle Adventure. I think that's all. No. This from the Eagle Adventure, this from the Eagle Adventure, this, and that. That's what I got from the Eagle Adventure. Okay. Sorry if my mouse is a little bit slow because I'm using my keyboard mouse. Oh, what did I do? I'm using my keyboard mouse and also my little arrows. Why am I this bunny? We had to ride an airplane. And we had to ride two. It was very boring. But I actually had internet on the airplane, so I was playing Animal Jam on the airplane. It was weird. But I didn't tell anybody because they'll be like, nah, you didn't. No. They're like, nah, you didn't. So I didn't tell. I didn't have breakfast. There was nothing to eat. So I just ate candy corn. Alright. I want to see how many people's going to be at Coral Canyon. There's a few people. Why do they even come? Oh yeah, I forgot. I am going to accept one more buddy request, and then I'm not accepting anymore. So it has to be from one of you fans, not some random person. So if you want to be my buddy, comment down below your username and why you want to be my buddy. And whoever I randomly pick will be my buddy. My 100th buddy. Yeah. So I do that and I'll maybe pick you if you're lucky. Okay, but anyway. Sorry if you hear like some farting noises, not me. I'm on the top of a bunk bed right now because I'm at my grandma's house. But anyway, the flight was bad. I crashed. No, I'm just kidding. But like there was a witch on there. She was evil. Evil witch. No. But she was laughing like a witch. I'm not kidding. I have a ring on. But I'm not kidding. She was laughing like a witch. It was so horrifying. I was scared. And you have to pay just to have a snack or a drink. But Alaska Airlines is a great airline. You don't have to pay. And there's coffee and wine, but I'm not allowed to drink that. That's gross. Ew. If you like that, I don't care. I don't. Bleh. Alright. I'm okay, guys. No need to worry. I just needed the internet and stuff. That's all. But anyway, there's nothing really to do. I just wanted to say a few things. So anyway, guys, I hope you liked and subscribed, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, gamers.